Hey everyone, this is Jess from Non-Techie Entrepreneur. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I just want to say thank you for watching and subscribe if you are looking for other Shopify resources. In today's video, we will be going over how to update how your shop looks in the Google search results. Now, if you have a new store, you won't be showing in the Google search results yet until your store has been indexed by Google. But once that happens and you put in the name of your store and you notice that the information that shows in the little snippet doesn't really showcase your shop well, there's a quick way to set this up before you actually publish your site, but after it's published, you can come in and make the changes, and the next time that Google indexes your website, they will be able to pull in the new information. So to do this, we will go to Online Store and Preferences. This will open up the information for your store. Right up top, we see the homepage title and we see the meta description. This is what will show up in the Google search results. So the title that you put here, you want to make sure that it defines your store correctly, and when your customers see it, they know that they found the right one. So you can put in the name of your shop, and it will tell you how many characters you use, and you could put in your meta description, which will show up and will be indexed for keywords. So you want to make sure that you're adding in the name of your store, what you sell, something very quick that helps the search engines identify what your store is, and for your customers to also identify what you sell and who you are. Then you can also update your social sharing image. This is what your result will look like when you share the domain for your site onto Facebook, Instagram, and there's a little image that comes up. You can add an image here, and they give you a recommended size, and the page title and description that you add up here will show here. So if I click save, now refresh, that information will still be there, and that page title that is here, so it will be shop, and then there'll be a separator and the name of your store that will show up here, and along with the meta description of the page and your image. So that is how to update your Google listing for once your store is published, and your social sharing image for when you are sharing your link on Facebook, Twitter.